Hi everyone, welcome to Great Online Training. This is Kavya, and in this video I am going to explain about the base SAS certification question number 39. So let's enter into the question number 39. So the question number 39 is, the following SAS program is submitted and the proc means data is equals to work.sales and mean, minimum and maximum, and insert statement here and the run statement. So what the question explains is, they are given the proc mean statement, along with that they are taking the sales data set, and they have mentioned some of the statistics named and mean, minimum and maximum, and the run statement. By seeing this report, we have to answer that, we have to insert the statement here. So assume that work.sales has two character variables named region and product. They are giving the two character variables. They are region and product, and one numeric variable is revenue. And the following proc means report is produced. As you can see, this is the report produced, and by seeing this report, we have to mention the statement here. Here, as you can see, they are mentioned as n, mean, minimum and maximum. These are the statistics that required for this report. But if we have not mentioned the statistics, by default we will get some of the default statistics. They are n, mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. This is very important. This is also a base SAS certification question. So you have to remember n, mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum are the default statistics that are produced in the proc means concept. And now let's observe the report first of all. And here the analysis variable is revenue. Why the analysis variable here is the revenue? Because there is only one numeric variable, that is revenue. The main difference between the proc means and the proc freak is the proc means, which is used to produce the report if we have not mentioned anything like any variables, it will give the report only for the numeric variable. But when we are producing the proc freak, we will get the numeric variable report and also the character variable. So the categorical variables can be given by the proc freak and the numeric variables can be given by the proc means. So here only one numeric variable is present, that is revenue. So here they are taking, the report is taking the analysis variable as the revenue. And here the two character variables named region and product. So here the first row you can see east, north, south and west, and the next row is product A, B and so on. And some of the statistics, they are what we have mentioned, they are giving the report is produced here. For example, I will explain you this. In region, we are dividing it into A and B, and in north A and B, in south A and B, and in west A and B. Let me explain you this by example. For example, let's say you are a teacher and you want to analyze the exam scores of two different subjects, that is the maths and science. And now the subjects of maths and science scores in 4 different schools, and that is representing the regions, like in north and in south, in west and in east. So in north you have to know the maths and science score, in south the maths and science score, in west the maths and science score, and in east maths and science score. For example, I will give you this, like in north we want the math score and the science score, and in south we want math score and science score, and in west maths and science, and in east maths and science. So we are grouping the variables, like here this is one of the variable like region, and here it is the subject. So we are grouping the variables based on the region and the subject, like based on the north, and in the north the maths and science, based on the region in the subject, based on the region and in the subject, based on the region in the subject. So we are grouping the variables like that. So here also the same example is applicable here. region, the region and the product. In the east, A and B. In the north, we are grouping A and B. In the south, we are grouping A and B. So the grouping variables here are mentioned, the region and the product. So when we are performing the data step for grouping, we will use the sort statement. So in proc means also we can use the proc sort statement, but there is an easy way of calculations in the proc means step, like the class statement, which is equals to the sorting procedure. Like the grouping variables can be done by using the class statement. The main difference between the by and the class statement using in the proc means is, when we write the by statement, we have to sort the data set before it. But when we are using the class statement, there is no need to sort the data. We can mention that is class and the variables we can mention there. There is no need to write the by statement or the proc statement, no need to write anything. And one more is, here you can see that the unobvious option is present. The unobvious option will get only when we write the class statement in the proc means step. So you can easily tell, that the unobvious option is the class statement. Like when we write the class statement, the unobvious option will be get presented. So here you can see the options now. Which of the following SAS statements completes the program and creates the desired report? Select one. By region. See here. So by region, if we have mentioned by region, the report in the proc, like in the PPT, I will be represented here. So region and product, north A and B, south A and B. So this is region, right? So by region, if we done that by region, by product is not present, right? So it will only done by region, not by the product. And now the class, region, and even though it is for by we have to sort, but in the statement in the PPT below, before the PPT, before page, we have not seen the proc sort statement anyway. So the by statement is absolutely wrong. And the class, region and product. So class is nothing but by, but the main differences I said before, right? So the proc means here is the class statement, we have used the region and product. So the class statement is used for the grouping variable. So first of all it is mentioned region and product. So first it will group the region and later it will group the product. So in the region the product will be get grouped, in the region the product will be grouped. So we have mentioned first the region as per the PPT, as per the question. First we have to mention the region and then the product. And the next one is group by. Group by is not at all an option in the proc means concept, so it is absolutely wrong. And by region and ID product. By region, as you know, we have to sort the data, and ID, the ID statement which is used to give the variable as the first row. So the ID statement is used as like that. So as per our example, as per the question, the correct option here is the class statement, region and product. I will show you this in the SAS software. So let me open it. Yeah, you can see here. So as per the question, I have taken the sales data set as an example. So let me run it, and here the proc means step as it is present I am representing here. So you can see as the PPT, as the SAS procedure also looks similar. So you can see here east, north, south and west, east, north, south and west, and in that we are grouping the variable product, and unobvious and mean, minimum and maximum. These are the variables that we are getting. For example, if we use the by statement, now we have to sort the data first of all. Proc sort data is equals to, what is the sales data set? By region and product. And later on the run statement, and then we will mention the proc mean step. So instead, when we are sorting, here we have to remove the class and we have to mention the by. So let's do that. So here you can see that you are getting region is equals to east and product is equals to A. Region is equals to east and product is equals to B. When compared to the class statement and the by statement, the procedure, the report looks somewhat difficult to us to appear. But when we look at here, we can easily group, like you can easily say that this report was produced when we are grouping the variables by region and product. But when we are using the by statement, we can't say because the by, where we are representing the by variables are giving one line of after. We can't say that what we are using. So for the sorting or for the grouping variables in the proc means, we will absolutely use the class statement instead of the by statement. It will be very useful to us. And so that the correct option for this example here is class, region and product, the class statement which is used for the grouping variable. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and subscribe to the Great Online Training channel and like the video. And thank you for watching.